Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself hot glue gun. You will need a barbecue lighter, a glue stick, and a couple of zip ties. Now, if you don't have zip ties, one of the best things you can use also is some copper wire. So, take the glue stick and place it on top of the barbecue lighter. Pull the zip tie around the barbecue lighter and the glue stick, but not too tight, because you need to be able to move the glue stick as the glue stick melts. You don't want to get it very close to the tip end, because the tip is going to become very hot and you don't want to melt your zip ties. That's why it's also better if you use copper wire if you have it. Trim off the excess of the zip ties. And there you have a homemade, do-it-yourself hot glue gun. All you have to do when you're ready to glue something is pull the trigger, and as the glue stick melts, you simply advance the glue stick forward a little bit at a time, dripping glue onto the item that you're trying to glue together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.